There could be an epic trial section. Yes, Dixon! Oh my god! Oh. Did you just take that tree to the nuts? Did you just straddle that tree? You actually went leg either side of that tree. Look at the look at the tree now.
Don't skid down it, don't skid down it.
Why?
Because you'll make it too easy.
I won't skid, I'll roll. Yes, yeah! Scary. Bloody lovely. Oh. What? What happened? That's so slippy. Not the best time to put this higher seat on. He's bloody overtook me, as lad. I'm still stuck. Jamie's gonna come past next. Oh, he's gonna get me back. Oh hell, Dixon's got stuck. Oh no! So have I. We didn't make that look very good, did we? Jamie done it easy. Clutch is going. Oh no. No, Jamie! Your moose and your tyre. Rim lock's gone. Are they still there, the rim locks? Yeah. Does it need tightening up then?
It is.
my god, that looks bad in there.
Put me over bars now, I thought looked back and he was just sunk in it over bars.
On the driest nights, look at the state of bike.
You two went in it and must have broke the crust.
Yeah.
And I was like, "God." That one went up at bars.
Look, he has.
God, it was so deep.
We're about to come back on a mission to rescue Dixon. Looks like he's got the old bike stuck a little bit. Oh, she looks buried from here.
Did you want a picture?
That is a thumbnail, actually. Oh, I wished I'd have seen it.
I was going through it like third gear. Really through the
Oh my god.
It just popped in there. I can't get it out. It's
That is in, isn't it?
I've tried. It stinks and all, doesn't it?
I don't want to get dirty, Dixon.
Well, what do you want? You know, it's on a film. From the back.
Push from the back. Where's your pussy strap?
I think we can manually do it without the bike running, and this is pretty stable here, like.
Yeah, it looks really.
That bike took the crust off again, hasn't he?
Did I go that way?
Stinks that.
Oh, fuck me, Dixon.
We'll lift straight up.
Will it?
Yeah.
I can't get. There's a lot of leverage needed there.
Unless we go backwards.
I feel like we should pull the front over to one side, personally.
It won't come out there. Yeah.
I could crog you home, leave it there.
Yeah, that's one option, I suppose. Right, come on, let's keep.
There's no front wheel left, Jay. It's gone. You need a pussy strap. Have you got a pussy strap, Jay?
No.
Go on, go on. I'll get my hand in. Go on, get a bit more and I'll get on.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, why me? Why do I have to do this? Have you got clutch in?
That's the brake, that.
Oh my.
Oh,
Oh, for God's sake, Dixon. Oh.
I mean, look how short Plumley was.
Oh, it stinks.
Plumley's going to go in now. Stinks, doesn't it?
It's minging.
When I go.
Woo. Somebody, may I? Bloody marvellous, Jamie. Edward Dixon and J-Lo all done. Might just blast down here for a bit of berg training. Thanks for watching. Like to see you on next one. Bosh.